Hello and welcome. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up Facebook pixel for WPForm submit. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and please watch this video till the end because I will use Google Tag Manager by sending this event to Facebook. And if you are not so technical, this video will be complicated to understand for you. But don't worry, if you don't solve your problem after watching this full video, I will give a link on this video description. Just book a meeting with me, then I will solve your problem. And I have more than 6 years of working experience with it. Right now, I'm a top rated freelancer on Upwork. Okay, let's dive in. This is my website and WP form already embedded on there. And right now I just want to send this event to Facebook. But if I submit this form, there is no thank you page. Just you can see there is no external thank you page. We just need to send this event to Facebook. Okay. So first of all, I will use Google Tag Manager because if you are not familiar with Google Tag Manager, Google Tag Manager is a tool to help you to set up and optimize your tracking system. Okay. First of all, you have to connect Google Tag Manager and then connect Google Tag Manager to your website. You can easily copy this code and paste under your website head tag, then Google Tag Manager will connect it. When Google Tag Manager is connect, you have to go the preview view and you have to copy your website link or landing page link, whatever you want to track, just paste here and then hit connect. After that, your website will connect to Google Tag Manager and you will see a event, a successful green icon on there if Google Tag Manager successfully connected. And if you go back the tag assistant, then you will see tag is connected. Okay. Now just submit this form again and go to Google Tag Assistant again, and here you can see WP form submit is a new custom event, and that event we need to send to Facebook pixel. And right now the situation is Facebook pixel is not connected to my website. So let's go to Facebook event manager and make a pixels or dataset. So right now Facebook changed the name pixel ID to datasets. So just copy the data source ID and go back Google Tag Manager. We just need to make a tag. Go to Facebook tag, hit new, select tag configuration and select Facebook pixels. If your container is new, probably you will not able to see this template here. That's why if you are not able to see that, you have to go community tag template and then you have to add to this workspace. And when you have done, you have to select that. And here you can see this is the box we have to send. We have to paste our dataset ID. So it still say it's a pixel ID, but Facebook say it's a dataset ID. So that's mean dataset ID and Facebook pixel ID, it's the same thing with two different name. Okay. Now if your pixel ID are new and it's not connected to your website, you have to keep this page view event and you have to select the trigger for all pages, because we need to connect Facebook pixel with our website for all pages. So that's why I made this tag. And now we need to send that specific lead event to Facebook. Go to tag configuration and then select Facebook pixel again. Input the pixel ID again and select a new event called lead. For my case, I just want to send lead, but if you want, you can send submit application or subscribe. I do prefer lead for form submit event. Just select it and then select a trigger and hit the plus icon and make a new trigger with custom event. And here you can see the custom event name we have to copy from our tag assistant, and exact same name copy and paste it in this box and then click on save and keep the same name here and then hit save. And after that our trigger is now ready and it's already integrated with this tag, and then hit the save. I just want to rename it a little bit for more understanding and hit save. And now our tag is done. It's time to test again. Go to preview. It's opening again with preview. When it will successfully loaded, we can see our Facebook pixel is successfully connected to our website, but it's only page view. Let's submit this form. And here you can see the new lead event is available here. That means this lead event is sending to Facebook through Google Tag Manager. So we are successfully done. When you see this is working fine, then it's time to submit and publish this Google Tag Manager latest version. Then it will start working. Thank you very much. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel.